Hi, in this video, I'll show you the best free advertising websites that can bring targeted USA traffic in 2026, what each one is best for, and how to use them without wasting your time. So let's get started. First, let's start of course by the truth. Free advertising examples sound great, but most platforms give you either traffic or quality, not both. So free advertising means more time, slower results, or manual efforts. It does not mean instant sales or passive traffic or no competition. So free platforms work best when you target the right audience or you provide value or you are consistent. So let's start an example by the first one. You can go and open any browser that you have and type the following: CRAIGSLIST. So Craigslist or Craigslist. So once you go and click on it, this as example website is basically still effective in the USA for certain offers. It's basically best for local services, freelancers, and small businesses. And also if you have some physical products, like some local pickups basically. So how you can use this like Craigslist? Basically, you'll have to post in the correct city or category and use clear titles, not clickbait, and basically renew or repost carefully. Make sure to avoid any spam. So Craigslist, for example, traffic is low volume but higher intent. So first you can change language from the top right here. So you can click on English right away. And from here, as you can see, you can look for the specific category that you want, and you can go and click on post an ad. So click on post an ad, and you will be able to post your ad. Just go and follow the following. I'm not going to show you exactly how to do it in every single website because it's basic. So you can do it for whatever you want and go through it and stuff like that and post your basically ad. Of course, it's better to create or log into an account at the top right so you can save your stuff for later. Of course, make sure to change the country, as I said. I didn't say that, but anyway, make sure to change the country first. So your target's in USA, so maybe choose the right area as example. As example here, I'm choosing Texas, or I don't know what did I choose. So you can choose whatever you want. Maybe as example, New York or something like that. So you'll be able to choose the specific area from here, as you can see. And you can choose this area as example, and the account will change. So now you can choose this exact category basically, maybe, and here basically you will be able to find the ads of other people. So basically for you, you'll have to click on post an ad. And yeah, that's what's Craigslist for. So Craigslist, traffic is low, as I said, volume, but it has high intent. So other than that, you can use the Facebook Marketplace. So Facebook Marketplace is one of the strongest free traffic sources, well, not reels. Like, where's the traffic? Or yeah, here's its marketplace. So this Facebook Marketplace, as I said, is one of the strongest free traffic sources in the United States. Not even in the US, in every single other country. It's basically for products, local services, or side hustles as well. Also used for niche Facebook groups, like USA based. And basically the rules of it will be follow group rules, provide value first, and avoid dropping the roll links. So this traffic converts well if you are patient and consistent. Other than that, other than Facebook Marketplace, you can use, as example, Reddit. So Reddit can send very targeted US traffic, but if you don't act like a marketer, it's basically best for SaaS tools, which basically software as a service, if you don't know it. And it's also good for content websites, guides, and tutorials. And basically how to do it safely. You can start posting value first content and answer any question that people ask. And basically link only when relevant. So in Reddit, if you spam, it will mean an instant ban for you. And Reddit rewards usefulness over promotions. So make sure to be useful in Reddit. Other than that, you can use like the Google business. So you can use Google as example business profile, or you can create a Google business profile which basically gets listed on Google. To list your business in Google, it's totally free. It's best, of course, for USA businesses and any other businesses in the world, service providers, freelancers. It's extremely underrated. Just go and type business Google profile in Google, or type as example get listed on Google, and you can click on the first link. You will get free Google visibility, local search traffic, and trust signals. This is one of the best, like one of the best free traffic sources if you qualify for it. It's easy to get listed into here, but you will have to not enter any fake info or something like that so you don't get banned. But if you do, it's very important and it's very useful. The last one that I'm going to tell you about is basically the Quora and Medium authority traffic. So there's both. So you can go with Quora and also Medium. Both of them you can, as example, list your ads on it as an example. It's best for blogs, affiliate like content, services as well, maybe some long-term traffic as well. The strategies will basically answer USA focused questions and write some helpful posts, link naturally, and this is slower, but traffic's quality is high. In Medium and Quora, you'll have to keep that in mind. So yeah, those are the platforms that can help you, as an example, get some free traffic or free advertising, as example, through some targets USA people or targeting some USA people. Just one last thing, be careful with some random free ad directories or traffic exchange sites, or be careful to post your links everywhere platforms. These will basically bring for you bots or low quality clicks, or maybe some zero convergence. So it's free, but it doesn't mean it's useful. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.